go! Very good. Okay, dahil dyan may napili na po ako. Okay, unang prize ay ibibigay ko po sa isang batang babae at siya po ang may pinakamalakas na pagsigaw ng ating message word. Okay, there's some clapping hands and congratulations to Nao! Palakpakan natin sa Nao! Okay, please go in. Alam mo siya ang mas makakatanggap ng value. Okay, yes, you get the prize. And once again, congratulations. Okay, nag-forward next prize batang lalaki po ang makakatanggap nito. Okay, sumunod kay Nao siya po may pinakamalakas na pagsigaw ng ating magic words. Okay? Clapping hands and congratulations to our birthday boy. Clapping hands for you guys! Ayan, okay, sabihin mo nga, happy birthday! Anyway, okay, congratulations and happy birthday. Now you get yours. Special prize. Okay, nasa doon ko wala pa kong premyo. Please do not worry because we're going to have, okay, our next team at marami pa potential prizes na gagawin mamaya. Okay, let's have our next team and then we're going to have our happy birthday game. So makinig tayo lahat because I don't have to play the game. Okay, kids, makinig tayo kapag sinabi ko happy, dapat lahat ay nakaliupo. Okay, so happy, dapat upo. Na when I say birthday, lahat kailangan nakastayo. Birthday tayo. Kids, tatandaan nyo lang sa huling sasabihin, okay? Kapag ang huling sinabi ko sa iyo, dapat nakaupo tayo. Kapag ang huling sinabi ko sa iyo, birthday, kailangan ay nakastayo tayo. Makinig ng mabuti. Okay, yun lang po ang key para makatanggap na ng premyo. But then, para makuha ng lahat na going to have our practice round, kailangan isang linya lang tayo. Lahat ng kids, kailangan makita ko agad. Okay, just a one straight line and all three to the yes clear. Harap sa ating mga bisita. Okay, nasa kanina ang ating birthday boy ay nasa gitna ngayon na dito na po siya sa pinakauna. Okay, so let's start and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and we've got 17 minutes for our second game. Okay, natin sa again, kapag happy, dapat upo. Kapag birthday, kailangan ay nakatayo. Okay, now kids, game na ba kayo? Yes or no? Okay, again, game na ba kayo? Yes or no? Everybody to say happy birthday to you, but go! Okay, now kids, please listen carefully and for the first round, it's gonna be happy, happy, happy! Anong dapat gawin ko kung sinabing happy? Dapat naka-upo. Okay, makinig tayo. Okay, now it's gonna be happy, happy birthday! Hindi nyo po kailangan ulitin ang sasabihin ko. Makinig lang po tayo sa aking mga sinasabi. Kapag ang huling sinabi ko sa isa ko, kapag sinabi ko happy, dapat nakaupo. Kapag huling sinabi ko sa birthday, kailangan nakatayo. Okay, isang practice lang po ulit. Happy, happy, happy! Happy, upo. Ayan. Ate, maupo ka, Ate Sandra. Okay, and now, happy, happy birthday! Birthday, kaya kailangan nakatayo tayo. Okay, now, please stand. Naku, napagod na yata. Okay, anyway, let's continue. And happy, happy, happy! Happy upo. Happy, happy birthday! Birthday tayo. Happy, happy birthday! Birthday pa rin po ang sinabi ko, kaya kailangan ay tayo pa rin tayo. So, kasalan po, all we have to do is to listen carefully. Okay, so I guess nakuha na po ng iilan kung ano ang gagawin. Kaya, there's some we're going to have our final round. Okay, once again, good luck, and okay, there's some is gonna be happy, happy, happy! Bye-bye! Huh? Okay, so very good. Exactly, this is the girl. Okay, Sandra, ayon ko sa out of the game for the meantime. Okay, balik muna sa ikupuan. And thank you so much for playing. Okay, now it's gonna be happy, happy, happy! Happy pa rin kaya kailangan ay nakaupo pa rin po tayo. Okay, so 1 and 2 ayon ko the out of okay, balik again, kailangan natin makinig ng puti. Okay, now it's gonna be happy, happy, happy! Happy, happy birthday! Very good. Happy po tayo. Padihan mo ako. Yes, makinig ka all ng happy, 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 happy! Happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday, dapat nakatayo tayo. Kasi sabi ko sa kailangan na isang lang sa ulit. Ate, galit mo ng sa'yo ko ay? Ate,